Hi, good morning, everyone. Guess what time it is? It's time to get ready to go on vacation to Cape Cod. Just checking on some last minute things. I gotta charge my cell phone to make sure it's all charged up, and I gotta charge up my camera just to make sure that's all charged up. And yeah, just checking on some last minute things. Sorry, with this new phone, I'm not sure where to be looking. I will be using my camera to vlog, but I didn't want to have to worry about plugging that in right away. David and Finn are still sleeping, so I'm letting them sleep in. It's raining out right now, so we're just trying to let the rain let up a little bit before we head out. It's a little bit after 7 o'clock right now. Hopefully leave by 8 o'clock, so we get to the Cape somewhere around Sandwich, Massachusetts, which is right over the bridge once we get there. He's still sleeping. All right, so as you can see, it's pouring right now, so that's why we're trying to let this rainstorm pass by before we head out of here. But yeah, it's pouring out right now. All right, just gotta put a few more things into these backpack luggage bags. So we're just getting last minute things together. Gotta take a shower and start to get ready. All right, and I'm just getting Finn's food ready. So he has his breakfast before we head out of here in maybe an hour or so. So I think I hear him coming downstairs. There he is. Good morning, Finn. Are you excited to go to Cape Cod today? Are you excited? Okay, Mommy will let you out. We'll go potty first, okay? Then you have breakfast. Are you so excited? Are you so excited? You're ready to go out to the garage, huh? Huh, buddy? Are you so excited? Okay, Mommy will let you out, okay? Okay, Finn. Let's go potty. Okay, let's go potty. Finn's so good. He knows exactly. This is the door we take him out every morning. Right, Finn? I wish it wasn't raining out today. It's gonna be lousy driving in this rain. Huh, Finn? Okay, we gotta put your leash on, okay? Okay, Finn, are you ready to go out there? I know it's a little bit lousy out there. Okay. Are you not too sure? I know. It's raining out, hon. Okay, go ahead then. Go ahead. He'll eventually go. Go ahead, Finn. It's okay. Mom can dry you off when you come back in with a towel, okay? Okay. All set, Finn? All set? Okay, good boy. Good boy. Okay, Mom's gonna shut the door. Hold on. Make sure. What? All right, he's in a hurry. This is what he does every morning. He wants to let me get his leash off before he gets his breakfast. Oh, then. Want me to get your breakfast for you? And then you can take your leash off. There you go. He's so excited at breakfast. Okay. Let me take your leash off, because you don't need that on until we leave, okay, huh? Oops, sorry. Okay, there he is. So Finn is having his morning breakfast before we head out of here. Right, Finn? Ooh, gotta have a nice nutritious breakfast for that long ride today. Okay. Mommy let you be. Mommy's gotta go get ready. Right, so this room is just about all picked up. So glad this bedroom is picked up. Just a couple of bags over there. All right, so I'm starting to get ready. I just took a shower. I just gotta refix this ponytail. It's raining, so I'm not really going to make my hair look all that special because it's just gonna get rained on anyways. So just going to refix this ponytail. And before I forget, I'm really liking this day. I think it's called day. But it really helps to get all these, as my husband calls them, tentacles down. Otherwise known as flyaways. Husband likes to call them tentacles though. See, that flattened those right down. I'm not putting too much makeup on. Again, it's raining out and we're gonna be in the car for about 4 hours. So I don't really need to put too much makeup on. Just so it looks nice and sleek. Instead of having hair flying all over the place. I'm gonna put a little bit of SPF on because even though it's raining, it's always good to put a little SPF on. Excited to go on vacation, huh?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Sure, okay.
Better than getting up with the crack.
David's fixing his hair. I'm just gonna double check, make sure everything is picked up in here. So looks pretty clean. That's the shirt he's wearing. It's got a couple of cords. Dave, do you want to bring a pillow?
No.
Well, you don't usually like the pillows at where we stay. But anyways, bedroom is all picked up. Alright. Alright, and our little area here is all picked up. Okay. TV's unplugged because I don't like to leave it plugged in. Alright, and hallway is picked up. Except for this stuff here is the stuff that's coming with us. And okay, and I believe everything in this bathroom here is all picked up and cleaned. So that's good. And the living room's all picked up. Just gotta pick up those bags there. And my little sitting area here is all picked up. So when I come home, nothing will be out. So that'll be good to come home to a nice clean house. Just gotta load the last bit of the stuff into that bag. And I think you got everything upstairs, dear? Fenced stairs and everything?
No, leave me alone.
All right, okay, fine.
Jesus.
All right, he's getting in a tizzy. All right, the car's all packed and we're ready to go. It's 8:30 in the morning and we're gonna be off soon. All right, we're all packed and we're ready to go to Cape Cod. Who's excited to go? All right, and we're off and it's about 8:30, so we'll see how long it takes to get there. First stop, Dunkin' Donuts. Getting on the thruway first.
Now keep right. Because that's super important.
All right, and we're off and we're on the thruway. It's 8:46. As you can see, it's kind of cloudy. Not very nice out today. So we'll see how long it takes to get there. Today's Memorial Day. So happy Memorial Day to everybody. All right, so far as you can see, there's hardly any traffic, but I think once we get near Springfield, Mass, the traffic will start to probably pick up as we get closer to the Cape. So this is it for now, and I'll show you once we get closer to the Cape. All right, so 244 miles to go. On the mass bike.
Now exit right.
Heading towards the Cape. Right. One of the first bridges that we're going over. Hard to see. It's all overgrown now. Alright, we're stopping at this little plaza here in Blanford to let Finn go out to go potty. He's getting a little bit antsy right now.
Their version
he might have to go potty.
Version.
Vacation holiday. Vacation holiday. Worcester, Mass. Traffic is starting to pick up. I am glad that we are not in that other lane over there because that is a lot of traffic over there. But yeah, traffic's starting to pick up now. Rhode Island. We're not going to Rhode Island today though. Yeah, we were at that exit going to Rhode Island, to Newport, Rhode Island. There's our sign for Cape Cod! Yay!
In 1 mile, exit to the right and exit 106 onto I-495 towards Portsmouth, New Hampshire.
Towards Cape Cod, exit 106. Cape
Now
Cod.
keep left, then keep right.
Keep left, then keep right, huh? Which way am I supposed to go?
I followed Cape Cod.
That would be right lane, right?
Finn's falling asleep on Dad's lap. Don't really like him on Dad's lap while he's driving. So cute. He loves his daddy. Here we go. Alright, glad we're not on that side of the road. Looks like all the people that are headed back from the Cape. Looks like it's backed up for miles. So, glad we're in this lane. Free as can be. Backed up on that side. It is pouring rain though. So, I'm not sure if we're going to be able to do some things that I wanted to do in Sandwich because we'll be getting too wet. So, we'll see when we get there. It's getting closer to the Cape. So far, it's taken us about 3 hours to get this far. Almost to the Bourne Bridge. Well, I think Dave and I made the right choice to leave today on Memorial Day. It looks like the traffic is backed up in the other lane, going headed back the other direction, away from the Cape. And as you can see, we're going just fine. David's going about, well, a little too fast. I won't say how fast he's going. And we're almost here in about a little over 3 hours, probably.
Massachusetts 25 East.
Straight onto Route 25 East.
Hey, perfect song. Holiday Road.
Now keep straight.
Holiday Road.
Continue for 4 miles.
Holiday Road.
In 2 miles.
Ah, here we go. It's a little bit rainy, but we're on our way to the Cape.
In 1 mile, keep left and continue to follow Route 25
Gotta go
east
over
towards
the Bourne Bridge. Can't really see, but we're almost there. It's very rainy. Alright, we're getting closer. We're going over the Bourne Bridge. I wish it was clear so you could see. But here we are. Okay. We are going over the Bourne Bridge into Cape Cod, Massachusetts. It's a rainy day. There we go.
In 600 feet at Bourne Rotary South, take the 5th exit onto Sandwich Road East.
Please take the 6th exit.
Okay. We're here. We're in the Cape.
I don't know where I'm supposed to go.
The 5th exit, Sandwich Road.
To the right.
To the right.
Exit the traffic circle onto Sandwich Road East.
Here?
Yep. And this is the traffic leaving the Cape. So, glad we're not in that row over there. First stop, we're going to the local to have somewhere to eat.